Hello, Internet. This is Scott with Scott's Garage with my father, Doug, standing in his garage in front of our Jeep project. So as you know, for the last year, we've been doing a complete frame-off restoration of our 1946 Willys CJ2a, and it's really moving along. It's now winter, and Kaiser Willys put out an email just saying, tell us about your winter Jeep projects. And for us, it's just one project, this 1946 Willys. But I'll tell you what we'll do over the winter months. And it does get very cold. We live in Montana, and a year ago, between Thanksgiving and Christmas, which is the time of year we're in right now, it got down to 35 actual degrees below zero. Now, Dad knows a little bit about cold weather in Montana, so tell us more about the cold in Montana.
Oh, you mean how cold on Rogers Pass?
Yeah.
Well, it got down to 68 below zero on Rogers Pass, and they had the lowest temperature in the nation, including the poles. But a half hour later, it got down to 73 below. It was snapping power lines and all kinds of problems.
And that was Rogers Pass. That's about 70 miles from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it can get really cold in Montana. So we have to keep everything inside. This is Dad's garage, and there is one of the vents for their overall heater furnace that comes in here. So it does take the chill off, plus I use a propane heater. But everything inside, we can't do anything outside right now. And it does limit us. The painting of the Jeep is almost done. It's like 98% done. There's just a little bit left. I'll have to wait till the warmer spring temperatures to do that. But as far as winter projects, our winter project is basically to wrap most of this up. And what I mean by that is that I'll be finishing the Go Devil 134L motor and getting the radiator on, which will be the next video that I'll link to this video. And just getting everything hooked up. I have to torque the head of the engine. I'll be putting in a brand new wiring harness. That's an upcoming video here, and really looking forward to that, and just meticulously putting everything together. I'll have a separate video on the gas tank, which comes from Kaiser Willys. By the way, you can use my discount code SGarage for 10% off your order. This includes every item with the exception of tubs, tub kits, and tires. But I'll be putting the gas tank in, and then the goal here in a month or so is to be able to start up the L134 and let it run. And then it's just a matter of putting on the fenders and the hood and the tailgate and waiting for spring so we can finish out the painting. But anyway, a lot of exciting things happening. I'm very pleased with the overall Jeep project. It's been a great project, and it's been great working with you, Dad, on this project. And do you have any wise words?
I don't know anything about a wise thing. I don't know. Maybe a dumb thing, huh? Okay, I don't know. It takes a big dog to weigh a ton, I guess.
All right, well, that wraps it up for our winter projects for the Jeep project. If you got any value at all from this video, please give us a like. It costs you nothing, but is a great value to us. And as always, have a great day.